Think ants are just annoying picnic crashers? Think again. These tiny creatures might just be your garden's best-kept secret. Today, we'll reveal how ants fertilize soil, defend plants, and supercharge your garden, turning pests into partners. Beneath your garden, a hidden world is bustling with life. Ants, often overlooked, are actually some of the most important natural soil engineers you could hope for. While you may only see them scurrying across the surface below ground, they're constantly at work, shaping the very foundation of your garden's health. As ants dig their intricate networks of tunnels, they aerate the earth, creating tiny passageways that allow oxygen to reach plant roots. This process is vital, because roots need oxygen just as much as they need water and nutrients. The tunnels also help water move more freely through the soil, improving drainage and preventing the ground from becoming compacted or suffocated. In heavy soils where water can easily pool and stagnate, these ant-made channels are especially important. They help prevent waterlogging and root rot, two common problems that can quickly weaken or kill plants. With better drainage, your garden is less likely to suffer after heavy rains, and roots can breathe and grow without stress. The result of all this underground activity? Plants develop stronger, deeper root systems, making them more resilient to drought, disease, and harsh weather. Healthy roots mean healthier, more vibrant plants above ground, with lush foliage and abundant blooms or harvest. If you want to attract these tiny engineers to your garden, start by using loose, well-drained soil, especially in raised beds. Avoid compacting the soil by walking on it or overworking it when wet. The easier it is for ants to move through the soil, the more likely they are to set up their colonies and get to work. By welcoming ants, you're inviting a team of expert builders to strengthen your garden from the ground up. Their constant digging and tunneling not only benefit your plants, but also help break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and support a thriving ecosystem beneath the surface. So, next time you spot ants in your garden, remember, they're not just visitors, they're nature's workforce, doing the heavy lifting beneath your feet and helping your garden flourish in ways you might never see. Ants are nature's compost crew, working tirelessly beneath our feet. While we often overlook these tiny insects, they play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our gardens and natural spaces. Every day, ants are on the move, searching for organic material to collect and recycle. They gather fallen leaves, twigs, and bits of organic debris, recycling this material non-stop. Their teamwork is impressive. Each ant knows its job, and together they can move objects many times their own weight. This constant activity helps keep the ground clear and prevents the buildup of decaying matter. Once collected, ants haul this material underground, carrying it back to their nest. Deep below the surface, these organic scraps are stored and broken down, creating a hidden composting system that benefits the entire ecosystem. In the darkness of their tunnels, microbes and fungi get to work, breaking down the organic matter into nutrient-rich compost. This process transforms waste into valuable fertilizer, enriching the soil and supporting plant growth above. The result? Ant nests become pockets of supercharged soil, packed with nutrients that fertilize nearby plants. You might notice that vegetation around anthills often looks especially lush and healthy. This is no coincidence. If you want to see this process in action, try leaving a few crushed leaves near an anthill. Watch as the ants quickly discover the new material, breaking it down and carrying it away. Over time, you'll witness how ants transform garden waste into what gardeners call garden gold. These tiny recyclers are essential for keeping nutrients cycling through the ecosystem. By breaking down organic matter, they help maintain healthy, thriving soil that supports all kinds of plant life. Ants don't just clean up, they actively enrich your garden from within, working in harmony with other soil organisms to create a balanced, fertile environment. So next time you see ants at work, remember, they're not just pests, they're partners in turning your scraps into plant fuel, helping your garden flourish from the ground up. Many wildflowers rely on ants to spread their seeds, a fascinating process known as myrmecochory. This unique partnership between plants and insects is a hidden force shaping the diversity and abundance of wildflowers in gardens and natural landscapes. While it may seem like a small act, the journey of a single seed carried by an ant can have a profound impact on the ecosystem. To entice ants, many plants attach a special, nutrient-rich structure called an eleos. Inside the nest, ants consume the eleosome, providing nourishment for their colony. Once the treat is gone, harsh weather and competition from other plants. Gardeners can support this natural process by planting native wildflowers that produce eleosome-rich seeds, such as violets, trilliums, and bloodroot. By choosing these species, you invite ants to become your garden's natural helpers, reducing the need for manual planting and encouraging a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem. Ants are your garden's secret sowers, quietly working beneath the surface to ensure the next generation of blooms. Their tireless efforts help maintain plant diversity and resilience, making your garden more beautiful and ecologically balanced. By working with ants and understanding their role, you can watch your wildflowers multiply year after year, transforming your garden into a vibrant haven for both plants and pollinators. Ants are relentless pest hunters, patrolling your garden for caterpillars, beetle larvae, and insect eggs. They also clean up dead insects, preventing disease and keeping your garden healthy. Instead of reaching for pesticides, observe, ants may already be controlling outbreaks. A thriving ant population means fewer pests and less need for chemicals. Let ants be your natural pest control army. They keep your plants safe and your garden balanced. Trust these tiny janitors to do the dirty work. Anthills aren't eyesores, they're nature's raised beds. The loose, aerated, nutrient-rich soil of a mound is ideal for seed germination. Seeds landing here sprout faster and grow stronger thanks to warmth and drainage. Try sprinkling wildflower or herb seeds around anthills. Don't disturb the mound, just let nature work. You'll be amazed at the healthy seedlings that emerge. Anthills are accidental nurseries, giving young plants a head start. Embrace these mini planters for a more vibrant garden. Ants subtly improve soil chemistry, making it more neutral and plant-friendly for a wide variety of plants. Their waste raises pH in acidic soils, helping plants access nutrients more easily. Ant tunnels and compost foster beneficial microbes and fungi, boosting root health. A garden with ants is a garden with a thriving underground ecosystem. Encourage ants, and you'll nurture a healthier, more resilient soil food web. Sometimes the best garden helpers are the ones you can't even see. Ants are living indicators of soil health. A bustling ant population means your soil is well aerated, toxin-free, and balanced. If ants suddenly vanish, check for overwatering or chemical use. Your soil may be in trouble. Watch ant activity as closely as you watch your plants. Their presence signals a thriving ecosystem. Let ants be your garden's truth tellers. Healthy ants mean healthy soil. Some ants farm aphids for honeydew, protecting them from predators, but this relationship isn't all bad. Ants keep aphid numbers in check, preventing outbreaks. They'll even eat excess aphids when food is scarce. This balance attracts other beneficial insects, strengthening your garden's food web. If you see a few ant-tended aphids, don't panic. It's part of a healthy ecosystem. Step in only if one plant is overwhelmed. Sometimes, nature's partnerships are more helpful than they seem. Ants attract a host of garden allies: spiders, beetles, birds, and predatory wasps. These predators feed on ants and other pests, boosting your garden's natural defenses. Birds drawn by ants will also eat caterpillars and grasshoppers. Predatory insects follow ant trails to find more prey. By supporting ants, you're strengthening the entire food web. A garden rich in ants is a magnet for pest controllers. Let ants lay the foundation for a resilient ecosystem. Ants in your compost pile are a sign of health, not trouble. Their tunnels aerate the heap, speeding up decomposition and preventing rot. Ants shred tough materials, making nutrients more accessible to microbes. They mix and distribute scraps, ensuring even breakdown. Welcome ants as compost helpers. They'll turn waste into rich humus faster. A busy ant colony means your compost is thriving. Let them work their magic for your garden's future. Ants aren't pests, they're partners building healthier, more resilient gardens. By working with ants, you unlock nature's own solutions for soil, seeds, and pest control. Embrace these tiny allies and watch your garden thrive. Look closer, and you'll discover a world of collaboration at your feet. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, and share with a fellow gardener. What's your favorite garden secret weapon? Let us know in the comments. Happy gardening!